Hello everyone, let's revise multiples and factors. Look at the multiplication given on the screen. It tells the whole story. Here, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 20 is the product there. 20 is a multiple of 4 and 20 is a multiple of 5 as well. To get 20, we are multiplying 5 and 4. So, 5 and 4 are factors. Let's move to the next slide. What are multiples? You read with me. The product obtained on multiplying two or more whole numbers is called a multiple of that number. What is a product? When we multiply two or more numbers, we get an answer. That answer is the product. And that product is the multiple of that numbers. In more simpler words, when you learn times table means multiplication table. In primary classes, you are actually learning multiples. Let's take the example of 2. 2 table is the easiest table. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 is a multiple of 2. Then 2 twos are 4. 4 is a multiple of 2. 2 threes are 6. 6 is another multiple of 2. 2 fours are 8. Another multiple. 2 fives are 10. 10 is another multiple. That's all? No. Multiples are countless. Here another example. The first 5 positive multiples of 5. Now, a question might pop up in your mind. Is it possible to have negative multiples? Yes, possible. When we multiply by negative integers, we get negative multiples. Here we will find first 5 positive multiples. Look at the first flower. How many petals are there? 5 petals. So 1 into 5, 5. Second row, how many flowers? 2 flowers. And each flower got 5 petals. So 2 is 10. 3 fives are 15 petals. 4 fives are 20 petals. 5 fives are 25 petals. These are multiples of 5. So what are multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What is next? 30, 35, 40, 45, etc. Here, let's find multiples of 3. Look at the first column. How many blocks are there? 2 blocks are there. And each block got 3 dots. So how many dots are there in total? 6 dots. How do we get that 6 here? 3 twos are 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 twos are 6. Next one, 3 blocks and 3 dots each. So 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 into 9, 27. 3 tens are 30. So these are all multiples of 3. Here a multiples chart is given. You can copy this down in your notebook. Find the multiples of 15. So, 15 into 1 is equal to 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. These are the first four multiples of 15. So what are they? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, etc. Now, what are factors? Numbers we can multiply together to get another number. So, when we are multiplying, we get product. To get the product, what all numbers we are using, they are the factors here. Example, 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Why? Because 3 into 2 or 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That's why they are factors. A number can have many factors. In the previous slide, we used multiplication to find factors. That's not the only way. We can divide also. We are going to find factors of 10. Look at the first division. 10 we are dividing by 1. So what is the quotient? 10. And remainder is 0. So 1 is one of the factors of 10. Look at the second division. We are dividing 10 by 2. So 10 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, and what is the quotient here? 5 is the quotient and remainder is 0. So we can tell 2 is one of the factors of 10. Next division, 10 by 5, the answer is 2. Next one, 10 by 10, the answer is 1, quotient is 1 and remainder 0. So, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. A factor divides a number completely without leaving any remainder. Find factors of 12. You can see some trees on screen. How many trees are there? Can you count and tell me? 12 trees are there. Now let's see how can we arrange them evenly. So first in one row. So 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Now in two rows. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. In 3 rows, 3 fours are 12. Look at the first one. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Both 1 and 12 are factors of 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 and 6 both are factors of 12. Similarly, 3 and 4 are also factors of 12. So, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Find the factors of 48. We can write 48 is equal to 1 into 48. 48 is equal to 2 into 24. 48 is equal to 3 into 16. 48 is equal to 4 into 12. 48 is equal to 6 into 8. So, 1 into 48, 1 as well as 48 are factors of 48. 2 into 24, both numbers are factors of 48. So, what are the factors of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. These are the factors of 48. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. That means only two factors, 1 and the same number itself. Let's take the example of 2. 2 is equal to 1 into 2. So 1 and 2 are factors. So 2 is a prime number. Why 2 is a prime number? Only two factors, 1 and the same number itself, 2 itself. And 2 is the only even prime number. First 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Can you tell me the next prime number after 11? 13, next 17, 19, etc. Composite numbers. Numbers with more than two factors are called composite numbers. 4 is equal to 1 into 4. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So how many factors are there? 3 factors are there. That means what? More than 2 factors. So 4 is a composite number. So some composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, etc. Next, last but not the least, one is neither prime nor composite. One is a unique number. That's all for today.